Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. It's me, Aurelia, back to another video. I'm gonna be taking you along while I set up my boyfriend's gifts and show you what's in it. I have all this stuff right there on the table. Not right there. I'm just in the bathroom talking because I don't really like talking in front of people. Get awkward and subconscious, and yeah, you can understand. But yeah, anyway, so I have all the stuff on the table that I have for him, and I'll give you guys a haul of what I got him right now. This is what I got him. He's turning 19, by the way. Got him this little tiger thing. Because like he's my little tiger. It's like a thing. A card. This little lock, I think, because I'm doing something with this. You know? Something cute, you know? If you've seen the trend on the talk about couples doing the lock thing, you know what I'm talking about. I got him this book with the Alexa. So I'm gonna like go into detail right now of what I am gonna be doing right now, because I'm going step by step of showing you guys everything. I'm not gonna show it all at once of what I got him because it's a lot of stuff what I got him. So I'm gonna set up the gift right now and do the gift. So right now I got this box that I taped it at the bottom. I taped it inside and everything, so it's all good. So I'm gonna take this Alexa, put it in here, but first I'm gonna wrap the Alexa and wrap everything I have it over there. So I'm gonna do that right now. That's it. Let's go. So I wrapped it all. This is what it looks like, and I just put it inside this box. And I just put it inside this box. Let's put it into the box, and then I'm gonna do that. But I have some other things in there as well. They're right here. They're in here. I don't know why the card is like that. I think I already taped it, didn't do anything. This is the card that I got him. It says, "You are like a perfectly ripe avocado at the store. When I name it, I'm gonna have to write that, and then I'm gonna write something. I don't know what yet. I'm gonna do that right tonight. And then I got a $25 gift card for him. So I'm gonna like wrap the $25 gift card and then like stick it in the card. I'll put the cards separately, not in the box. But I think that since this card and the gift card and that is all, I'm gonna put it all in one thing. I'm gonna do that. So let's get to going now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Here's this card. Okay, I don't know what that is, but anyways, just finished the card. I'm gonna tape the card, like, I had to tape the back because this flap, like, came down, but that's fine. As you can see, I'm gonna tape the card, like, right there, just like that. So I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so the gift is all wrapped up in the box, on the box. So I put the Alexa, wrap that up, and then I put the card with the gift card, wrap that up, and then I put the tiger on top of here, but I didn't have the tiger because it's like the way it is. No. And then this is the box. That's how it looks. I'm gonna take some more of this wrapping paper and wrap it up right now.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy, happy today. Happy birthday, hope you have the
thumbs up, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Sorry I'm filming this outro a couple days later because I never ended the video. Sorry about that, but yeah, see you in the next video. Bye guys. If this one's let me post. Bye.